Money Day Street, and I will say, young country intro. Yeah guys, so there is a new Benz owner in town and it's no other person than Edey you. I hope you know who I'm talking about. So I'm talking about Akuapem Polo. Yes, so Akuapem Polo has acquired a brand new Mercedes Benz, and as you already know, when she gets something so huge like that, she flaunts it on social media. So yes, yesterday Akuapem Polo took to her Instagram account and shared her brand new Mercedes Benz registered 2021 to her followers, and you see in a video she was actually hollering some guys in the hood that, hey Charlie, I'm the new Benz owner in town. Yes, so Akuapem Polo is known for her funny videos and all that, reacting and also commenting on issues that is happening in the entertainment industry. And also she's also known for selling her Akuapem Polo honey, or let me say a sexy polo honey, and people are asking how did she get her money, to buy a Benz, because we all know the amount of money you need to get a Benz, or the price of a Benz is ranging about 20,000, about 50,000-60,000 US dollars, which is very huge money. Yeah, so it didn't really end there. Akuapem Polo actually threw a party. Can you imagine? She threw a party where she invited her friends and loved ones to celebrate with her that she's a new Benz owner in town. And also Charlie has been flaunting the car all over. Okay guys, watch the video, and also don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below.
We pull out in the Benz. Edey you. This is 2021. Benz in the back.
Hello, bring your cap.
How you doing? Having fun, popping a jump.
You got me wrong for you.
Oh, that you will go. You got to go. Mommy, need that better.
Yeah guys, so this is the latest from the camp of Akuapem Polo. Stay glued to this channel. If you haven't subscribed already, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's peace.